Sambar. You drank sambar? Dosa sambar. Very nice, very nice. Okay, make it
A warm welcome to our prehistoric museum, where history comes alive. Today, we invite you to travel millions of years back in time to discover the world of early humans.
To walk through our museum, each station will reveal an exciting part of the journey of early humans.
From living in caves to discovering fire to making tools, farming and building the first villages.
At every stop, we uncover surprising facts, amazing models, and the hidden stories from the distant past.
Let us see one by one. Yes.
Scientists believe the earliest human ancestor lived in Africa millions of years ago. These early humans were called hominids and evolution of millions of years. They learned the new skills and gained amazing journey of humankind. Every journey is a beginning, and this is where the story of humanity begins. Early human ancestors look different from us and slowly changed over millions of years. They began walking upright. Their brains become larger, the jaws become smaller.
Growth. Chicky. Human growth. Yes.
These changes help them to make tools, solve problems, and adapt different environments.
So they are going there.
Evolution was a slow journey that helped the humans. The Stone Age was the earliest period of human history when people had not yet discovered metals. Early humans depended on nature for food, shelter, and survival during this period.
Mostly they were staying in caves.
They stayed there for thousands of years and marked the beginning of the human learning and discovery.
Yes.
The Stone Age was the first chapter in the story of human civilization. Early humans chose caves near forests and rivers because food and water were easy to find.
Yes.
They often lived in small groups, helping each other and stay safe from wild animals.
Now this story tells to understand how early humans lived thousands of years ago.
Every cave has a story waiting to be discovered.
Early humans first saw fire in nature. That the forest fire before learning to use it. By accidentally rubbing the two stones together, they learned to create fire. This became one of the greatest discoveries in human history. Fire gave warm cooked food, provided light at night, and protected early humans from wild animals.
Without fire, humans' life would never have been the same.
The only a giant hairy relative of today's elephant at India, I say.
It could grow up to 4 meters tall and its thick fur and long tongue to survive the freezing cold. Early humans stayed safe. Early humans stayed safe by living in groups and later using fire to keep the giant animals away.
Well said.
Today, the mammoth is extinct, but its fossils tell us a story.
Saber-tooth cat has a powerful lazy gentle, long, soft canine teeth.
Its teeth could grow to 20 centimeters long, helping it catch large animals. Early humans protect themselves by staying together and using fire to scare it away.
Group stay. Yes. Say summary. Yeah.
This is an extinct animal, but it remains one of its most famous predators. Early humans carried hot stones used to make strong tools for hunting animals, making food and digging the ground. They made axes, spears, knives and scalpels for hunting, cutting and protecting themselves.
These simple tools are the first invention that help us to survive and improve daily life. Early humans painted on cables using natural colors.
Say summary.
Every great innovation begins with a simple idea.
Early humans painted on cables using natural colors made from charcoal, clay and plants.
They drew animals and hunting scenes to share their experience and daily life. Many of these paintings can be still seen today. Learn about the past.
Yes.
The dog was the first animal to become a friend of human. It helped them
Friends of
hunt
human.
and protect their herd. As people settled down, they began raising goats and for milk, wool and food, instead hunting every day.
Great.
These friendship between humans and animals changed the way people live and helped build the first villages.
Great. Yes.
Early humans noticed that seeds dropped on the ground could grow into new
They
plants.
began planting seeds near rivers where water crops grow better.
Farming gave a steady food supply, helping people settle down and build larger
summary. Yeah.
Early humans discovered that wet clay could be shaped and hardened by the heat of fire. They made pots to store grains, water, cooked the food safely for a longer time.
Yes.
Pottery helped people reduce waste and made their life more organized in the first
Great,
place.
great, great.
Early humans noticed that round rocks could hold heavy objects more easily from one place to another. This idea led to the invention of the wheel making travel and carrying goods faster and easier. The wheel became a furniture from today, bicycles, cars and many modern machines. Millions of years ago, early humans lived in caves. Today we live in cities because every discovered their new
Yes,
beginning.
we were living in smart cities.
Stone tools to modern technology, every invention reminds us that great progresses
Of course.
start with a simple
Yes,
idea.
yes.
Our journey begins with early humans and their courage, curiosity and the habits we will be living today.
Yes, of
Our
course.
ancestors had very little bit. They created a better tomorrow through courage, art and creativity. Help build the world we live today.
Yeah.
Today we are blessed with countless comforts that our ancestors could only dream of. As a small reminder from our journey, we invite you to cherish your health, value our resources, and inspire a brighter tomorrow. Thank you for visiting our prehistoric museum.
We have to retain the past and also improve the future. Wonderful, wonderful. Well done, children. Get.
Thank
Oh.
you.
Yes.
Good morning, everyone. A warm welcome to our respected principals, teachers, parents, and dear friends. Today, we are very happy to present this exhibition on our purely human children and clothing. In this exhibition, we will take you on a journey to the past and show you how early human lived. We will learn about the differential tests they use, such as huts, caves, and stone houses.
Shelter and clothing inside.
As time passed, people started building stronger and safer homes using woods, bricks, and stones. Today we have modern homes, apartments, and skyscrapers
Yes.
that boast technology and better facilities. We will also explore how clothing changed over time, from these and animal skins to cotton, silk, wool, and modern fabrics. Clothes protect us from different weather conditions and help us live comfortably.
Good, well said, well done, well done, well done. Yes, yes, yes.
Caves.
Yes, that's
Caves are natural shelters formed inside rocks and mountains. Caves are among the earliest natural shelters used by humans. Early humans lived in caves to protect themselves from wild animals and weather. A caves were one of the earliest shelters used by humans. A stone house is house that built of rocks and stones. They saw how people used natural methods to build strong shelters. Stone walls help protect people from hot and cold weather. Huts are small and easy to build. They are commonly found in villages and rural areas. Huts are made using bamboo sticks, wood, straw, mud, grass, and
bamboo
palm
stick,
leaves.
very famous those.
Huts are the blocks made from natural wood. The thick walls, the thatched roofs protect people from sun, rain, and wind.
Yes.
Huts are eco-friendly because they are made from natural materials.
Complete natural.
As humans developed, tree houses also changed. Today, modern tree houses can be made with wood, ropes, ladders, and strong supporting structures. Tree house keep the people's food away from wild animals. Tree house keeps safe and helps us live close to nature. One of them is Chestnut Hideout. It is made using bricks or diamond care of ties. As human developed from huts and stone houses, they started building stronger and comfortable homes. The sloppy tile roof protect the house from rain and escape cold during a hot weather. These houses have open spaces and a concrete wall with the desert and nature light. This model represents a modern house design
Modern house design.
for comfortable and convenient living. Unlike early shelters, modern houses are built with strong materials such as cement, concrete, bricks, steel, glass, and wood.
Long lasting.
As you can see, our art has rooms, floors, windows, balconies, and an open terrace. An apartment is a modern type of home where families live in separate units within the same building. Apartment help many families live comfortably while using less land.
Yes.
Apartment help land our space, especially in cities. An apartment is a building that contains many separate rooms and living units. Apartment provides modern facilities like electricity, water supply, lifts, parking, and making our life
All available,
comfortable.
yes.
House walls are designed to float safely in water. A boathouse is a wonderful example Limited land and time reserve. A skyscraper helps us save land by allowing many people to live and work in one building.
And huge area of wind, snow, and ice is very bad and include people are more Indian.
The blocks of snow keep the inside warm and protect people from cold winds. Although snow is cold, the big snowballs provide insulation, helping to keep the inside warmer than the outside.
Yes.
They are specially designed to protect people from the freezing cold. A castle is a large and strong building that was built mainly in the past to protect kings, queens, and their people. Castles were often considered on hills or near rivers to enhance their defensive advantage.
Many castles also include a moat, which is deep water children.
Today, many castles are famous where tourists visit by tourists. A castle reminds us historic cultures of ancient times.
A caravan is a home on wheels that can be moved from one place to
Caravan.
another.
In the past, people used simple mobile shelters while traveling from one place to another. Today, caravans are more important and comfortable, made using modern materials and
Mostly
technology.
they are in cinema industry they are
A
using.
caravan has a small place for sleeping, cooking, and living. It is a good example of portable shelter for travelers. In the early days, humans did not wear any dress that we wear today. They used things available in nature to cover and protect their
Yes,
bodies.
exactly.
First, early humans used animal skins and furless clothing. They mainly used it to protect themselves from cold weather. But today, clothing has developed greatly because of science, technology, and fashion. First, we get natural fiber such as cotton from plants. We sow cotton seeds in the soil, and with water and sunlight, the seeds start to sprout.
Water, sunlight, and the seeds start spreading in all plants.
The smaller plants grow bigger and produce flower and turn into cotton balls. The cotton is then harvested and used to make soft clothes.
Yes, better. Here anybody? Well done children, great. Yes.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
என்ன டாபிக் இந்த வாரம்னு வராதே very nice, all done, well done. Your voice is confident, that's very important. Yes. Chutney? Sandanam. Very nice. Yes. Do you have anything to say? Welcome. Very nice, great. Yes.
This is how 3D climate and weather map of India. It shows different as from forest and red ocean. In which the wind blows from one place to another. Wind blows from one place to another. And the water balances it cool down. The heavy water join together to form clouds. Then it's called condensation. This is our rainfall formation, not a rainfall zone, but not of the water. The sun makes water enter like a frozen. When the clouds become thick or the fall size rain, this process is called a precipitation. Rain or the
You have to stand on, say, and then say, just to get down.
The water may be caught and form clouds. This process is called condensation.
Condensation.
Summer the dusty of the air, winter the cold dusty of the air. People are called according to the season. This is our tornado model. It is a tornado wrap in the rotating column of air.
Well made, very nice. Yes.
During a tornado, people should go to a safe shelter and stay away from windows. Early
today we are able to guess all that is to come next.
Changes temperature with seasons such as summer, winter, monsoon. Tropical zones are reduced heavy rainfall. The dry zone is little desert with very little rainfall. The temperature zone is pleasant weather with moderate temperature. The mountain zone is found in Himalaya region and cold weather is snowfall. Climate change is both cloud forming and daily life. Global warming is the gradual increase the surface temperature. We can
Warming.
global warming by planting more trees, saving electricity and using renewable energy.
Dangerous.
This is our air pressure demonstration model. Air pressure is the force by the weight of air is all around us even though we cannot see it.
Willy particle came here, yes.
Air moves from high area to a low area. This movement of air is called wave. Air plays a more role in the weather changes.
Yes. Change of winds, yes.
An anemometer is a instrument that measures which it is used when it is here scientists study the weather.
Great.
Taking the instrument used to measure rainfall used in weather station time scientists to record the amount of rain. A rain cake has a funnel and measuring cylinder. Rainwater fall into funnel and collect into cylinder. The rainfall is measured in millimeters. This is our green as a fat model. The sun is the base of the heat and light for the earth. The earth's surface observes the sun. Greenhouse gas trap atop the sun and keep the greenhouse gas includes carbon dioxide, methane and water vapor. Too many greenhouse gases make the air total. This is called global warming.
Global warming. Bhumi Veppamayamadal.
Yes.
Wait, I will come back.
Weather and climate really affect water flows. They change how much water flows. Down running falls into the ground. Some cause dangerous floods. Climate is a long term pattern of weather condition in a specific region.
Pacific region it is there. Yes, well. Next.
A weather forecast session collects weather information. It helps us the weather in advance. Weather forecast helps us our daily activity. A thermometer is an instrument used to measure temperature. It is used in homes, hospitals and weather stations.
Thermometer.
It tells us how hot or cold the weather is. Weather station uses thermometer to record daily temperature.
All weather
A
stations.
barometer measures our pressure. These instruments help scientists make accurate weather forecast.
Short definition.
This
Yes.
is when the direction or when the amount of air and pressure is there.
Yes, very well. Anybody else? Sir?
Oh.
Yes. Well done, children. Great. Yes. Nice.
Water in oceans, rivers, lakes, by causing they operate.
All.
Without sunlight, no recycling can function. Water vapor is the gas form of water. It is invisible and rise high into the atmosphere. After evaporation, let it cool from the ground.
Great.
Rain is the most common form of precipitation. It provides fresh water for drinking, farming, and other daily needs.
Very useful. Yes.
வணக்கம். முக்கிய செய்திகள். இன்று சென்னை கொளத்தூரில் எவர்வின் வித்யாஷ்ரம் பள்ளியில் அமைக்கப்பட்ட அருங்காட்சியகத்திலிருந்து நேரடி செய்தி அறிக்கை. தொகுத்து வழங்குவது நான் உங்கள் மாத்தி. ஒரு உண்மை நிகழ்வு. குன்னாங்குளத்தூர் கிராமத்தில் வசித்து வந்த ஒரு குடும்பம் தலைமுறையாக மனிதநேய பணியில் தங்களை அர்ப்பணித்துள்ளது. அவர்களுக்கு சொந்தமான கிணற்றில் உள்ள தண்ணீரை ஜாதி, மத, இன வேறுபாடின்றி கிராமத்தில் வாழும் அனைவரும் பயன்படுத்த அனுமதித்துள்ளனர். தண்ணீருக்கு ஜாதி இல்லை, மனித நேயத்திற்கு எல்லை இல்லை. இது மக்களின் மனதை வென்றதோடு மட்டுமல்லாமல் சமூக வலைதளங்களிலும் பேச்சு பொருளாக மாறிவிட்டது. இன்று அந்த கிணறு சமத்துவம், அன்பு, மனிதநேயம், சகோதரத்துவம் ஆகிய உயரிய பண்புகளை பகிர்ந்து வருகிறது. இத்துடன் இந்த செய்திகள் நிறைவடைந்தது. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Well done. Somewhere I told you this.
Drought is a long period with very little rainfall. It causes water shortage and crop failure conversing. Water helps reduce its effects. Plants depend on water for growth and food production. They observe water from the sun and release it to transpiration. This supports the continuous water cycle. Trees realize water vapor through transformation. They help increase rainfalls and maintain the water cycle. Forest
Yes.
Industrial waste, sewage and plastic are major causes of water pollution. Chemical contaminated river and lake proper waste disposal helps prevent pollution.
Contaminated water.
Hail consists of all surface formed inside chemicals. Initially appear during thunderstorms and large eruptions can damage crops and buildings.
Yes.
Rainwater harvesting is the
Therefore, as rain, snow, sleet, or hail, it returns water to the land and oceans. The steel water cans are loaded to delivery vehicles. They are supplied to homes, school, office, and shop. People receive clean and safe drinking water for daily use.
RO water.
Glass holds the water while it is heated. As the water heats up, it changes into water vapor.
Okay.
This process is called evaporation.
Evaporation. Well explained.
Empty 20-liter cans are washed thoroughly with clean water disinfected. This removes dirt and germs from the can. Clouds store large amounts of water in the atmosphere until the droplets become heavy. Floods occur when heavy rainfall causes water to rise rapidly. They damage homes, crops, and roads. Proper drainage is to help with flood damage. Water collection. Water is collected from or the soft water soil. It is from quality before. Rainwater harvesting is the collection and storage of rainwater. It has increased underground level. This method reduces water scarcity.
Every house should follow.
Animals take care for drinking and serve. But rainfalls, rivers and lakes support waterfall. The water cycle supports all ecosystems. Groundwater is water stored beneath the earth's surface. It is formed when rainwater strips into the soil.
Yes.
Wells
Henry.
and borewells obtain water from the sources. Infiltration is the process in which rainwater enters the soil. It helps to refill underground water supply, helps soil, improves infiltration. Dew forms when water vapor considered on cool surfaces. This commonly seen on grass leaves in the morning. Dew is result of condensation. Humans are depends on the water cycle for drinking water, farming and industry. It provides fresh water to the rainfall. Protecting water source is our responsibility. These are mixtures of rain and ice coolers. It forms when raindrops is before reaching the ground. Sleet is a common cold region. The purified water is collected in the storage tank. It remains clean until it is used. The tank keeps water ready for drinking. Fresh water is available whenever needed. The purified water is filled into the clean cans using automatic machine. The process is hygienic. Prevents contamination. Each can fill for a amount of water.
Super.
Ocean data example 97% of our water. The largest source of evaporation and also pressure. Effective regulating climate. Polluted water spread diseases and harms aquatic life. It also affects agriculture and human health. Clean water is essential for survival. When clouds become heavy, they release water as rain, snow, sleet or hail, helping complete the water cycle. The UV filter removes or kills the remaining germs. It provides extra protection for drinking water. This makes the water safer. The purified water is not ready to store. The iron is the main water purified. Removes salts, bacteria, viruses and heavy metals. When the clean water passes through the membrane, it improves water is protected. Fog is a cloud that close to the ground. It develops when moist and cools quickly. Fog reduces visibility on roads. A colonizer, one of the oldest in the world, it was crossed by a Kavadi river. It was constructed by a king, Karigalan Cholan, over by 2000 years ago. Clouds carry water from ocean, river and lake to different parts of the earth.
Yes, say.
Clouds are formed of tiny water droplets or ice crystals. They carry water across different places. When they become heavy, they produce precipitation.
Super.
Clouds are formed in water vapor. Clouds are condensed into tiny water droplets or ice crystals. Runoff is rainwater that flows on land. It reaches rivers, lakes, and oceans.
Yes.
Fresh water is essential for drinking and agriculture. It comes mainly from rain, rivers, and lakes. Only a small amount of earth is fresh water. Climate is a long term of water. Water cycle will help it like heat and coldness. Water purification. Water is filtered to remove dust, dirty from full impurity. It is active reducing RO, UV, or ozone.
Of course, yes.
Water pollution occurs when harmful substances enter water bodies. Polluted water is unsafe for humans and animals, preventing water play. Snowfall is water ever freezing, very cold temperature. It falls at white crust, now mediated become water rising. Transpiration is the release of water vapor, plant leaves. It has moisture in the atmosphere. This process is called converted to cloud formation. There are 4 types of floods: flash, coastal, river, hymen. Let's talk freshwater and support many living organisms. They collect rainwater and runoff water from lakes, also affects the atmosphere. dioxide present in the air. High humidity makes air feel moist. It affects weather and rainfall.
Well done, Silan. Very nice. Great. Super, super. Yes. What time? 25. 25.